Hey everyone, I hope you can hear me. I'm actually at one of my more recent sales, one of my listings that I just sold. This home sits in a condominium complex, as you can hear. Actually, I'm going to turn this around real quick. You see through those woods there? And you can hear it. That's I-96. And when I first came to this listing, I honestly was like, holy cow. Freeway being right there is going to be making it really tough to sell this place. But I tell you what, through some intelligent marketing, through some intelligent pricing, not only did we get the home sold within a week, but we got it sold for over asking price with a guaranteed offer. If you know anyone looking to sell right now, I mean, listen to that, guys. You can hear the freeway probably better than you can hear me. And we still got this place sold quickly and efficiently for top dollar. If you know anyone, if yourself, friends, family, anyone you know is looking to sell a home right now, please think of me, Chris Bailey, with the Bailey & Associate Real Estate team at Remerica United Realty. We'll be glad to take care of you, your family, your friends, and do the very best job we can and be true professionals in the real estate community. Just wanted to give you this quick update, just kind of give you a little update what's going on right now in the market. Take care, everyone. Talk to you soon.